Today, we are going to create a real-time emission shader for a sphere. First, we need to create our base scene with a large base mesh and UV sphere. And subdivide the created UV sphere and smooth its shading. Now select the base mesh and create a material to it, and set its roughness value to 1. After that, select the sphere, and create a material for it. Now, change the surface to emission. And keep the strength value as 1. After all, now turn your viewport to rendered. You can see, emission shader is not casting any lighting for this scene. Now change the render engine into cycles, and you can see it is casting light for that scene. Now, turn your viewport into solid, and change the render engine into EV. You already know that, how to cast emission shaders lighting in EV engine. We learned that under the earlier topic. We need to add a radiance light probe and bake in direct lighting for this scene. And baking a radiance volume with a small resolution will gives the lighting result for this shader like this. But now the problem is we can't do this light baking part for the animations. To make animations, we need to make this sphere into real-time lighting. To do that, first turn the viewport into wireframe, and add a point light. And set it to the center of the sphere. Now move to the object data of the light, and set the radius value to 1. After that, select the sphere, and move to the material properties. And set shadow mode to none. Now, you can see that point light is casting the lighting for our sphere. Now select the point light, and set the power to 50, and check the custom distance. Make sure that it has its default 40 meters distance. Now you can change the render engine, and compare the lighting. After that, set sphere parent to the point light. Now, we done our real-time lighting sphere. Enabling render features will give more result for the scene. Now you can render your animations using this workflow. And try more things with this technique. If you like this video, hit like button. If you have learned something new, hit subscribe. If you hit the bell icon, you will get notifications as soon as we upload a new video. Learn with IBN. Thank you for watching.